Hello friends, welcome to Dragon e-commerce channel. So today we will discuss that how we can contact Amazon support. Definitely when you will start selling on Amazon, you will need to contact Amazon support team for multiple reasons. For example, you are trying to list your first product on Amazon and you are facing some errors. Definitely you will need to contact Amazon support. And there are many issues. For example, you are going to register your brand with Amazon and you are facing some hijackers with your listings, and anytime if you face any difficulty with your Amazon seller center, you can reach out Amazon support team to solve the issue. Amazon support team is always very supportive. They help sellers to grow more, and definitely they will respond to your queries. So today we will learn that how we can reach out Amazon team. So if you will log in your Amazon Seller Central, this is the homepage of your Amazon Seller Central. Alright, and here in the top right corner you will see the option of setting and language, and here the help. You have to click on help. Now I am telling you that how you will create your cases with Amazon team and how you will contact with Amazon seller support team. So this page will appear in front of you. Here you have to select the marketplace, because in this seller center I have three marketplaces: United States, Canada and Mexico. As you know that when we create our Amazon Seller Central account, Amazon gave us multiple markets for selling. Some people sell in the same market only. For example, if I created the account, I just want to create the listing in USA market, then I will open the case with selected market United States. But if my product is listed in only Canada, then I will select Canada market. So for now, for example, my product is listed in United States market. I will just click on United States, and here I will describe my issue. So let's proceed with some dummy case with Amazon, so it will be easy for you to understand. For example, I am trying to list my product on Amazon and I am facing some errors. So I will just explain here that you will get to know that how to write text or message to Amazon support team. So you will write here just hello Amazon team, and then you will go to the next line, and here you will describe your issue. For example, I am facing issue in my listing product. So I am trying to list my product on Amazon and facing some errors. Enter, and here you will write your error that you are facing, and then you will click on continue. Okay, so here Amazon will suggest you some issues that your product listing issue is related to product ID or UPC, which is also known as GTIN, known as Global Trade Index number. This is about label. And second one is account registration issue, and third one is trouble adding a product, or my issue is not listed. So you can just click on trouble adding a product. Okay, on the next page Amazon is saying you that received an code or error message, product identifier related issue, cannot find my listing, any of them which suits you. Okay, so I can just click on here other add product related issue or received an error code or message. So I can just proceed with this or this. So for now I will click on other add a product related issue. Sometime multiple errors appear in the listing and they are not listed just here. So I can just click on other add a product related issues, and then Amazon is saying that your issue is related to these things, or you can just contact an associate, or my issue is not resolved. If your is already resolved and you have got the solution in these texts, then it's okay. If it is not solved yet, then you have to click on contact an associate. Alright, and Here you have to provide your phone number if you want, and if your issue is urgent, then click on here. If your issue is not urgent, then do not click on here. And you can schedule a call with Amazon, or you can just click on call me now. If Amazon support will be available, they will just make a quick call with you, and you can tell them your issue, and they will definitely solve it. And the second option is you can click on email. Here you will write your email address, and here you will write your phone number, and you will just click on send. Okay, alright, so this was the way to contact to Amazon support team to solve your issues. So always when you start selling on Amazon, do not hesitate to contact Amazon support, because they are very helpful. And if you want to check that Amazon is responded to your cases or your query or not, you can just check from here. Go to case log. Here you will see all cases that you have already opened with Amazon. Here you can see this was a case related to seller SIV, it is known as, and Amazon has answered this. And when you will create your new case with Amazon, it will show here the status of pending, and when the Amazon team will reply you to your question or query, then you will see here the answer. So this was the best way to tell you that how you can contact Amazon support team. If you have any question related to this topic, you can ask. I will love to answer your queries. Thank you so much.